This is Jamie with the Boathouse on the 2024 Bennington 25 QXSBA. So it does have this awesome arch with speakers, full cover, pop-up cleats. It is an awesome white, metallic white color. Extended aft deck, full ESP, triple tube package, lifting strakes, underdeck skin. It's your 300 V6 Yamaha white motor. Let's take a look inside. As we walk through the interior of the 2024 Bennington 25 QXSBA, has pillow top sport upholstery. This is the graphite with carbon with white piping. Removable cup holders, storage in the front for fenders or anchor lines. You do have charging ports by all the speakers, in-floor storage, flip down armrest, upgraded white stitching, plenty of storage in the helm station, 2 tables, kicker sub and amp, elevated helm, upgraded chair for the captain's seat, charging port, lighted cup holders, toe kick lighting, 12-inch Simrad screen, Rockford Fosgate, upgraded steering wheel, glass windscreen. The arch is power, so it will go up and down. Click of a button. It does have a full bimini top on it. Awesome lounge seat that extends all the way into the swing back. Swing back here does have multiple functions, so it can lay completely flat. You can also have the back cushions set up in different positions, so you can lay the other way. You do have speakers on the back of the boat here. All of this will light up as well. Pop-up cleats, flagpole. This also has an adjustable headrest for your co-captain. All the upgrades in a beautiful metallic white.